When the lights go low at the Dragon Cove, 5 brothers swing onto the stage. When their act is through, they got a job to do. Write another crime-busting page. Here comes T-Rex. 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 An army disguise. They're fighting good guys. Yeah. Across Rep City, Big Boss's crew has a rep kind reaching for stars. Our boys drop in to pay their respects and put the corporation back behind bars because they're T-Rex. 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 Freeze them and leave them, always deceive them. T-Rex. 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 I said T-Rex. T-Rex. With leaps and bounds and snaps all around. Yes.
Here in Rep City, the evil corporation threatens the peace and tranquility of the Saurian citizenry. Who shall battle these doers of foul play? Who shall protect the innocent? Who shall make the streets safe for Repkind? T-Rex! Rep City's top lounge lizard act, the Brothers, conceal their true identities. And as T-Rex launch a crusade for truth, justice, and the dinosaur way.
Officers of the law, no longer need you go about your duties in fear of the disabling powers of a criminal's cooler. This is my latest invention. I have called it Quick Thaw. In a matter of seconds, Quick Thaw will defrost anyone whom the corporation or any other criminal has attempted to chill, freeze, or ice. It is also an excellent non-dairy creamer.
Begorra, Professor Edison, this is good news. And when will my boys in blue be issued with this Quick Thaw?
There is a problem. Quick Thaw requires further development for, you see, in its present suspension, it is highly explosive. The slightest mishandling may cause a blast.
Highly explosive it is.
Give us that antifreeze.
Hey, the name is Delaney, Chief Delaney, and I am not your auntie.
Move your tails, boys. Yeah, let's blow this joint.
Nice talking with you.
Me dad and isn't recovering from being frozen. A bit like suffering the rheumatics.
Stop kvetching, Bruno. There's nothing to worry about flying.
Hey, it's not the flying I'm worried about. It's the crashing.
Get a hold of yourself, Bruno. This is the chance of a lifetime to be the cabaret on one of Howard Hughes' famous flying parties.
Would you look at the size of that thing?
I mean, it's too big. It'll never make it into the air. It's parked in 3 counties. That thing's got its own zip code.
Flying is safer than taking a bath.
Hey, you haven't seen Bruno take a bath.
Okay, what if lightning strikes the plane?
Lightning, rain, sleet, or snow, the show must go on.
Hey!
The most beautiful nightclub owner in Rep City, and my favorite comedy team. Everyone's here. The mayor's already aboard. And when I told him you boys are gonna be the cabaret, he was ecstatic. You guys kill him.
Yeah, and if we don't, the plane will.
Snow, hey, we better get inside.
Wait! I forgot my teddy saw.
You're not afraid of flying, are you?
Huh? Me? Afraid? I'll be right back. But, I can't sleep without that teddy.
We can't wait for him. We always leave on time.
Coppers! I told you not to make that right on the red.
Throw one of those tanks out. That'll stop them. That's the end of that problem.
And the beginning of another!
Snow? What's the problem? That's what wipers are for. Now blast. Stick your hand out and wipe the snow off, little boss.
Forget it, I'll freeze! I'll seize up, that could be the end of me, no!
It will be the end of you if we drive into a brick wall.
The plane is packed, thanks to you boys.
Hey, we're happy to provide our services for your flying fundraising, Mayor.
A vote for you is a vote for integrity, honesty, and political courage.
Performing is one thing, guys, but you don't have to lie for me. This snowstorm's getting worse. If we don't take off now, we'll never get off the ground.
We can't leave without Bruno.
You know Bruno won't show, and like you said...
The show must go on!
I can't see a thing. Not a thing. We'll have to stop.
Keep going, Shooter! Big Boss will go bonkers if we don't deliver this quick thaw stuff!
Where are we?
Doors.
Closed?
Flaps.
Deployed.
Nose.
Stuffy, but I'm taking a decongestant.
It might be an earthquake!
We gotta get out of here, Shooter, before that quick thaw stuff blows our little tails right back to the lower Cretaceous! Are we dead yet? I don't think so. Oh, no, we're alive. Let's try to stand up. Oh, BB's gonna have my guts for garters. He'll hang me by my ears, swing me from my ankles. He'll boil me in tar. What's that noise? I think we're in an airplane. How can we be in an airplane? I didn't bring a toothbrush or extra underwear. You won't need underwear, and you won't need a toothbrush, little boss. Oh, you gonna lend me yours? No, we won't be on this contraption long enough. We're gonna make an unscheduled stop.
Where are those dumb jamokes? They're over an hour late!
Easy, big boss. They're probably on their way. I mean, have you looked out the window?
That's not my job. When I want to know what's going on out there, someone can tell me.
Well, there's a snowstorm out there. Yeah, traffic is snarled, dinos are panicking, cars are at a standstill, there's gridlock on every corner.
I'll give them another 2 minutes.
Mr. Hughes, sir, friends and guests, this is Captain Gunther. We're currently cruising at an altitude of 12,000 sauropod cables. Cabin attendants will be serving complimentary beverages, and a lifeguard is on duty at the pool.
Did he say pool?
Yeah, there's one on the upper deck, next to the golf course.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this gig.
Just don't forget, it's a working flight, boys.
So, Bugsy, my uncle thinks he's an elevator.
So why didn't you take him to the doctor?
'Cause he doesn't stop on the doctor's floor.
Hey, my aunt's just as bad. She thinks she's a chicken.
Did you take her to the psychiatrist?
Oh, no, you see, we need the eggs.
The show's over, fly catchers.
What's the meaning of this?
This plane is going back where it came from.
Hey, we can handle these guys.
Yeah, but not without blowing our cover.
Rudders.
15 degrees.
Fuel.
1,200 pounds.
Mother-in-law.
1,300 pounds.
Turn around.
Now what?
No. The plane. Turn the plane around. Take us back to Rep City. Now!
I'm afraid that's impossible, sir. Rep City is sucked in by that snowstorm. Ground control informs me that the Robinson River is frozen over. It's a sheet of ice.
Yeah? Well, so are you. Oops.
Everything's under control?
Yeah, well, kinda, but we got 2 small problems.
What's the first problem?
We got no pilot.
What's the second problem?
We got no co-pilot.
Take it easy, Shooter. No sense in juicing me.
Why not?
Because I got a Class 6 pilot's license.
All right, get in there, but no funny business.
I didn't know you knew how to fly.
I don't, but maybe we can radio Bruno for help. His fear of flying might have just saved our lives.
Your siblings are in extremis.
No, they're in Howard Hughes' Teak Pterodactyl.
No. They are in a periculous, parlous, and otherwise jeopardous collocation.
Huh?
They are between Scylla and Charybdis.
Ed, it's just you and me, and I'm a simple musclehead. Buck's not here to translate, so you gotta use shorter words.
Just come with me.
Little Boss and Shooter have taken over the Teak Pterodactyl. You gotta help us, Bruno. You gotta get up here somehow.
What, is he nuts?
We need our T-Rex outfits and weapons. It's the only way we can take control of this situation.
Wait a minute, you know I got this thing about flying.
You're our only hope. We're counting on you.
What? I can't hear the static!
You gotta help us, kiddo.
Bugsy? Bugsy! Bugsy! He's gone. What am I gonna do?
There's only one thing you can do.
Good idea. I'll hide in the closet.
No! Allow me to introduce my latest gizmo.
I don't need this. I travel light.
The suitcase contains a portable changing unit for your brothers.
So, how do I work this, rocket gizmo?
I have preset the navigational coordinates to intercept the flying boat. All you need to do is initiate blast-off with this button.
This one?
Well, generally one waits until one is outside.
We gotta land this thing!
Land it? We can't even fly it! If Shooter and Little Boss don't show up right now, people are going to get hurt.
Lighten up, baby cakes. What do you expect? They're gonna fall out of the sky.
Are you sure you guys are fit to fly this contraption now?
I think so. But where are we going to land? The river's frozen solid.
Hey, leave that to us.
An outhouse! You flew all the way up here to bring us an outhouse?
What kind of emergency do you think this was?
It's a portable transformation chamber. You can turn into T-Rex one at a time.
Well, what are we waiting for?
T-Rex is the name, and crime busters!
Warmer on the ground than it is in the air.
More exciting in the air than it is on the ground.
A great way to catch pneumonia.
Yeah, surefire cure for Bruno's fear of flying.
All we need to do is to drop this quick thaw out the cargo door. It'll explode on the ice below and defrost the Robertson River.
And a one, and a two, and a one.
Now what?
Now we get to work. Bombs away!
very hot tonight.
Where are the boys?
Over here.
Where's Bugsy?
The others are,
Some flight, eh, Myrna?
Where were you? What happened to your clothes?
It's been a rough flight.
You saved us, T-Rex.
Yeah, how can we ever thank you?
We'd do anything to show our appreciation. Except pay, maybe.
wait till we tell Bruno what he missed.
Come on, boys. We better get back to the Dragon Company. You know what they say.
No, what? You can never turn your back on your
Hey,
face?
you shouldn't poke yourself in the eye with a pointed stick.
30 lashes with a wet noodle's better than poking the eye.
Time save nine.
It's something about chiropractic.
That's right.
Before you say
It's all things on
Myrna, are you paying attention?